Hi kids, in this video we'll discuss sums from exercise 13.1 class 10, similarity. We have already done till sum number 10. Let us see number 11. In the figure, ABC is a triangle in which AB is equal to AC. So that is given to us. AB is equal to AC, which means it's an isosceles triangle, which means the angle opposite to AB, which is angle C, and the angle opposite to AC, that is angle B, will be equal. No doubt in that. Angle ABC is equal to ACB. Now let us read the sum. P is a point on the side BC, so this is P, such that PM is perpendicular to AB, so PMB is 90 degree. PN is perpendicular to AC, so PNC is 90 degree. Prove that BM into NP is equal to CN multiplied by MP. First of all, let us prove that these two triangles are similar. Look, in triangle MBP and triangle NCP, if you look carefully, angle PMB is equal to PNC, that is given to us 90 degree, isn't it? They have told. And MBP, angle MBP is equal to angle NCP. Why? Because angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. We have seen earlier, because the two sides were equal, which means that triangle MBP is similar to triangle NCP. Now, if these two triangles are similar, we can say that MB by NC, remember, this is angle property, MB by NC equals to BP by CP is equal to MP by NP, isn't it? See, the first one and the last one, if you take, so MB I can write BM, same thing, NC I can write CN, is equal to MP, NP, just cross multiply, so BM multiplied by NP is equal to CN multiplied by MP, and this is what we were supposed to prove, hence proved. Isn't it? Very simple. Just prove that these two triangles are similar and use the property. Okay, now let us look at the next sum. Now look at number 12, very interesting. Prove that the ratio of the perimeters of two similar triangles is the same as the ratio of the corresponding sides. Look over here. Suppose we take two triangle A, B, C, and we take X, Y, Z, and these two triangles are similar. They're given. Okay, I've taken angle A is equal to angle X, angle B equals to angle Y, so they are similar. Now, if they are similar, we can write that AB by XY is equal to AC by XZ is equal to BC by YZ, isn't it? We need to prove that, see, prove that the ratio of the perimeter of the two triangles is similar, is the same as the ratio of the corresponding sides. So this is equal to the perimeter of triangle ABC by the perimeter of triangle XYZ. Okay, now look carefully. Ratio and proportion. If A by B is equal to C by D is equal to E by F, then we can say that A by B will be equal to C by D is equal to E by F, will be equal to sum of A plus C plus E by B plus D plus F. How come? Just look over here. We'll try to prove this. Suppose this I take as K. Then just look at this. A plus C plus E by B plus D plus F. Now instead of A, see, A by B is equal to K. So we can say A equals to BK, isn't it? I have taken A by B as K. Similarly, C by D as K, E by F as K. Okay? So A I can write BK, C I can write DK, and E I can write FK by B plus D plus F. So take K common, B plus D plus F. This is B plus D plus F. So this cancels out. K remains, which means A plus C plus E by B plus D plus F is equal to K. And this is originally equal to K, which means this A by B is equal to C by D equals to E by F will be equal to A plus C plus E by B plus D plus F, which means I can write if AB by XY equals to AC by XZ equals to BC by YZ, then I can write this is equal to, these two is equal to AB plus AC plus BC by XY plus XZ plus YZ, isn't it? Which is nothing. If you see, this is the perimeter of triangle ABC, and in the denominator we have perimeter of triangle XYZ. This we were supposed to prove. See, if these two triangles are similar, then AB by XY equals to AC by XZ equals to BC by YZ, and this will be equal to AB plus AC plus BC by XY plus XZ plus YZ, which is equal to perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of triangle XYZ. Remember this, okay? Clear? Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 13. In the figure, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. The diagonal AC and BD intersect at O. Prove that AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. Very simple. If you just prove that these two triangles are similar, our work will be done. And then find the value of x. If OA is 3x minus 19, OB is x minus 4, OC is x minus 3, and OD is equal to 4. You just substitute and try to get the value of x. First part, look at these two triangles. Triangle, I'm talking about AOB and triangle COD. First of all, angle AOB is equal to angle COD. That's vertically opposite angle. There's no doubt in that. So this angle and this angle are equal. Similarly, this angle and this angle are alternate angles. They will be equal. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. That's alternate angle. Why? Because AB and DC are parallel, isn't it? So AC becomes a transversal. Okay. Now if two angles are equal, we know triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. That's angle property, isn't it? Now if these two triangles are similar, then we can say AO, just look, by OC is equal to OB by OD is equal to AB by CD. This is what we were supposed to prove. Done the first part. Second part, they have given the values, okay, of AO, OB, OC, OD. Just substitute it and try to get it. The value of x. A is 3x minus 19. OC is x minus 3. OB is x minus 4. And OD is 4. So this becomes what? 4, 3x minus 19. We're just simplifying it, okay? X minus 4, x minus 3. So that's 4 3 is a 12x minus 4 into 19. That's 76 equal to, this is x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12, which means this is, I'll bring everything on this side. So minus x square, this was plus 12x, this becomes plus 7x over here when it comes. This is minus 76 minus 12 equals to 0, which is minus x square plus 19x minus 88 equals to 0. Take minus sign common, so it becomes something like x square minus 19x plus 88 equals to 0. Middle term factorization we have already done, okay? So this becomes x square minus 11x minus 8x plus 88 equals to 0. Solve it. X minus 11 minus 8, x minus 11 equals to 0. Which means we get x minus 8, x minus 11 equals to 0. So we can say that either x minus 8 equals to 0 or x minus 11 equals to 0. Just simplify it by middle term. So you got x equals to 8 or x equals to 11. And that's your answer. Just prove they are similar. Use the property, you will get the first part. Substitute the value, solve it. Okay. Now let us see the next sum. Now look at sum number 14. In a triangle ABC, angle A is acute. So I'll just draw a diagram. A, B, C. A is acute. This kind of sums are important, you know, when the diagram is not given. You need to draw the diagram, okay? BD and CE are perpendiculars on AC and AB respectively, which means BD is perpendicular, CE is again perpendicular. Prove that AB multiplied by AE is equal to AC multiplied by AD. Look carefully. Take these two triangles. ADB and take AEC. These two triangles. First of all, this and this angle are equal 90 degree, and this is common. Hence, these two triangles will be similar. If they are similar, use the property that the corresponding sides are proportional to each other. You will get this. Look over here. In triangle ADB and triangle AEC, angle ADB is equal to angle AEC is equal to 90 degree. That was given to us, isn't it? Because BD and CE are perpendiculars. Next thing, angle BAD is equal to angle CAE. That's common if you look carefully, isn't it? That's a common angle, which means two angles are equal. So we can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ACE. B corresponds to C and E. Now, if these two triangles are similar, this angle property, we can say that the sides are proportional to each other. The corresponding side, which means AB by AC, okay, is equal to BD by C is equal to AD by A. Just look carefully. BD, C, AD, AC, AE. Now take the first one and the last one. So AB by AC is equal to AD by AE, which means AB multiplied by AE will give you AD multiplied by AC. That's done. Pretty simple. Just need to draw the diagram properly. Take the two triangles, prove that they are similar, the sum will be done. Okay. Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 16. In the figure, DB is perpendicular to BC, DE is perpendicular to AB, and AC is perpendicular to BC. You can see the figure. Prove that BE by DE is equal to AC by BC. Very easy. You just need to prove that these two triangles are similar, or work will be done. Look carefully. What I'll do, I'll take this angle as X. Look, angle DBE. Angle DBE is equal to X. Suppose, then this angle is definitely 90 minus X, because the entire angle was 90 degree, which means angle ABC is 90 minus X. No doubt in that. Okay. Now look at triangle DBE. In triangle DBE, angle BDE, which is this angle, will be equal to 180 minus these two angles, which is 90 plus X. Just look over here. In a triangle the three angles act to give 180. That's angle sum property, isn't it? Angle sum property. So if this is 90, this is x, so this angle, will be 180 minus these two, which is 180 minus 90 minus x. That's 90 minus x. That's 90 minus x. Now look at these two triangles, okay? Look, in triangle ABC, and triangle BDE. Just look carefully. Angle ACB is equal to DEB or BED, whatever. BED. That was given to us. That's 90 degree. Then angle ABC is equal to BDE, just now proved, BDE, that is equal to 90 minus x, isn't it? Both, which means two angles are equal, which means triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDE. And once they are similar, we can say that the corresponding sides are proportional to each other, which means AB by BD is equal to BC by DE is equal to AC by BE, isn't it? Now take these two, okay, and just look over here. BC, wait a minute, BC by DE is equal to AC by BE. Now this goes over there, this comes over here, so BE by DE is equal to AC by BC. That's proved, isn't it? So we just needed to prove that these two triangles are similar. Once you prove they're similar, use the property of similarity, you'll get your answer. Okay, very easy. Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at this sum, 16 part A, pretty easy. In the figure, E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD, which means this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. It's a parallelogram and equal also. And BE intersect CD at F. Show that ABE, which means the bigger one, is similar to CFB. Very easy. Just look over here. First of all, this angle and this angle will be equal, isn't it? Because the opposite angle in a parallelogram are equal. Angle B is equal to angle D, angle A is equal to angle C, isn't it? And one thing more, this angle and this angle will be equal, alternate, which means two angles of this triangle and two angles of this triangle are equal, which means they are similar. Very easy. Just look. In triangle BCF or CFB, they have told CFB and triangle ABE. Just look over here. First of all, CBF, angle CBF is equal to AEB. That's alternate angle if you look carefully. And angle BCF is equal to EAB. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, which means two angles are equal, which means triangle CFB is similar to, C corresponds to A, F corresponds to B, and B corresponds to E. Yeah, look carefully. Angle property. Isn't it? Very simple. Just 3 steps and the sum is done. Clear? Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at 16 part B. In the figure, PQRS is a parallelogram. PQ is 16, QR is 10. L is a point on PR. such that RL is to LP is given as 2:3. QL produced, so QL produced meets RS at M and PS produced at N. First thing they have told us, prove that RLQ, which means this triangle, and PLN means this triangle, are similar, hence find PN. Pretty easy. First of all, see, this angle and this angle are equal, vertically opposite angle. This angle and this angle are equal, alternate angle. So these two triangles are similar, isn't it? Look, in triangle RLQ and triangle PLN, if you see, angle RLQ is equal to PLN. That's vertically opposite angle if you look carefully. Then angle QRL is equal to NPL, that's alternate angle, which means triangle RLQ is similar to triangle PLN. Angle property. Now if they are similar, we can say that the corresponding sides are proportional to each other, which means can I write RL by PL, LQ by LN is equal to RQ by PN. They have told us to find PN, so I'll take this one, and RL by LP is given. So this is given. Take the first and the last one. Okay, so I can write, just look over here, RL by PL, I can write LP is equal to RQ by PN. Substitute the value. RL by LP is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. RQ is 10. 10 by PN. So PN will be this 30 by 2. That's 15 centimeter. Now, am I clear or not? Now let us see the part 2. Number 2. Name a triangle similar to RLM. RLM. This triangle, okay? Evaluate RL. Then, if you look carefully, these two triangles, if you see, I'm talking about triangle RLM and QLP. Just look, this angle and this angle are equal, and this angle and this angle is equal, which means these two triangles are similar, isn't it? See, in triangle RLM and triangle PLQ, angle RLM is equal to angle PLQ, that's vertically opposite angle. Then angle MRL is equal to QPL, that's alternate angle, which means triangle RLM is similar to triangle PLQ. No doubt in that. RLM is similar to triangle PLQ. Now if they are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional, which means can I write for this triangles RL by PL is equal to LM by LQ is equal to RM by PQ, isn't it? Now they have asked for RM, so we'll take this one, and they've already given this one, so take the first and the last. So RL by PL is 2 by 3, so 2 by 3 is equal to RM, we don't know, and PQ is 16, so RM will be 32 by 3, that's 10 2 by 3 centimeter. Done. Pretty easy. Oh, they asked name a triangle similar to RLM. So RLM is similar to triangle PL. Okay. Evaluate RM. RM is 10 2 by 3 centimeter. Done. I think this was very easy. Okay. Let us try the next sum now. Now look at sum number 17. The altitude BN and CM of triangle ABC meets at H. Prove that. Let's draw the diagram first of all. Then I'll see what we need to prove. A, B, C. The altitude BN, and CM and CM meets at H. Okay. Prove that CN multiplied by HM is equal to BM multiplied by HN. Very easy. Just look at these two triangles. If you can prove that these two triangles are similar, our first part is done. Just look over here. In triangle MHB and triangle NHC. First of all, angle HMB is equal to HNC, that's equal to 90 degree. That was given to us because BN and CM are altitudes, so the angle has to be 90 degree. Then this angle and this angle is equal. Why? They are vertically opposite angle. Angle MHB is equal to NHC. That's vertically opposite angle. No doubt in that. Which means two angles of this triangle is equal to two angles of this triangle. So they are similar. Triangle MHB is similar to triangle M corresponds to NHC. Now once they are similar, okay, the corresponding sides are proportional, which means can I write, suppose I'll write from here NH by MH is equal to HC by HB is equal to NC by MB. Definitely we can write. Now look over here, CN. So take this one, HM, take this one. Take the first and the third one, okay? So we have NH by MH is equal to NC by MB. So cross multiply, so this becomes NH multiplied by MB is equal to MH multiplied by NC. This is what we are supposed to prove. See, I'll write it. NH I'll write HN, MB I'll write BM, MH I'll write HM, NCCN. Same thing. So see, this was the first part only. CN multiplied by HM is equal to BM multiplied by HM. Done. Okay. Now look at the second part, just look over here. HC by HB is equal to root of CN multiplied by HN by BM multiplied by HM. This is nothing, just the continuation from the first part, Just look over here. RHS, if I see. RHS is what? Root over of CN by BM multiplied by HN by HM. So CN by BM, I can write NH by MH. So CN by BM, I can write NH by MH multiplied by HN by HM. Now this was C. Just look over here. NH and HN are same, so I can write HM square. MH and HM are same, so HM square. Okay, so this becomes HN by HM, and NH by MH is nothing but HC by HB. So this is nothing but HC by HB, isn't it? Just use the result of the first part and utilize in the second part. Okay, done. Now see the third part. They've told us prove that triangle MHN, which means this triangle MHN, and triangle BHC are similar. Very easy. Just look over here. In triangle MHN, and triangle BHC. First of all, these two angles are equal. Angle MHN is equal to BHC. That's vertically opposite angle. Am I clear? Next, look over here. From the first part only, we got MH by HC. MH by HC or MH by NH, yeah, MH by NH is equal to HC by BH, yeah, we got it. See, MH by NH over here, MH by NH equals to HB by HC, isn't it? Which means, see, two triangles are similar with angle property, side angle side property. What property was that? If one of the angle is equal and the side containing that equal angle are proportional, which means MH by HL is equal to BH by HC, then you can say that these two triangles are similar. This we have proved earlier only, you know, over here. See, MH by NH equals to HB by HC. So we can say that triangle MHN is similar to triangle BHC, side angle side property. Done. So in the second part as well as the third part, we have utilized the result from the first part. Okay, pretty easy. Just need to know the theorem and the property for similar triangles. Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at this sum number 18. Very interesting. In the adjoining figure, CM and RN are respectively the medians of triangle ABC and PQR, which means CM divides AB into two equal halves, which means AM and MB are same. Similarly, RN divides QP into two equal halves. Is it clear? Now, they told us if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, first of all, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, we can say angle A equals to angle P, we can say angle B equals to angle Q, angle C equals to angle R, and AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. We can write like this. Okay, because this was given to us. Now look at this sum. Prove that triangle AMC and triangle PNR are similar. Very easy. In triangle ACM or AMC, whatever, AMC and PNR and triangle PNR. Just look. This angle and this angle are equal. We know it. Angle MAC is equal to NPR. That was given. Why? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So angle A and angle P are equal. Done. Now look carefully. They have given us AB by PQ. Just look. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR from here. Isn't it? AB by PQ equals to AC by PR. So we can write half of AB by half of PQ equals to AC by PR. We can write like this, isn't it? Now half of AB is nothing but AM. So we can say AM. Half of PQ is nothing but PN. PN is equal to AC by PR. Now look carefully. These angles are equal and the side including which includes this angle are proportional to each other. See, AM by PN is equal to AC by PR, which means triangle AMC is similar to triangle PNR. You know, reason is side angle side property. The sides containing that angle, you know, are proportional to each other, you know, which means AM by PN is equal to AC by PR. Then we can say that these two triangles are similar. Very easy. First part done. Then they told us prove that CM by RN equals to AB by PQ. AB by PQ. Very easy. See, first of all, these two triangles are similar. So if these two triangles are similar, can I write AM by PN is equal to MC by NR is equal to AC by PR. I can write like this. Now look carefully. I'll take this one and this one, okay, which means AM by PM equals to MC by NR, okay. Now instead of AM, I can write AB by 2, no doubt in that, AB by 2. Instead of PN, I can write PQ by 2, PQ by 2. This is equal to MC by NR. 2 cancels out, which means AB by PQ equals to MC by NR. That was the second part. Pretty easy. Okay, use the result of the first part to solve the second part. Done. Now look, we need to prove triangle CMB. CMB is similar to R and Q, exactly like the first part. This angle and this angle are equal, okay, and from here I can take BC, this one and this one, okay. Just look over here. In triangle CMB and triangle RNQ, just look, angle CBM is equal to angle RQN, B and Q are equal, already proved, okay. And see, from here can I write AB by PQ, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, which means instead of AB I can write MB by 2 in 2 MB, sorry, twice MB, and instead of PQ I can write twice QN is equal to BC by QR. Again see, one angle is equal and the side containing that angle are proportional. See, MB by QN is equal to BC by QR, which means triangle CMB is similar to triangle RNQ. Very easy. Again, side angle, side property. Is it clear? In both the cases we used side angle, side property. Okay, now let us look at the next sum. Now look at sum number 19. In the figure, median AD, so AD divides BC into 2 equal half, and BE, so BE and AD are medians of triangle ABC, meet at G, and GF and DF is drawn parallel to B. So BE and DF are parallel. Prove that EF is equal to FC and AG by GD is 2:1. Pretty easy. First of all, look at triangle BEC. In triangle BEC, if you look, D is the midpoint of BC, isn't it? And BE is parallel to DF. So by midpoint theorem, we can say that, or the converse of midpoint theorem. What was the converse of midpoint theorem? Look, if these two sides are parallel and this is the midpoint of, suppose, A, B, C, D, E. If DE is parallel to BC and D is the midpoint of AB, then E is also the midpoint of AC, which simply means F in this case is the midpoint of EC, isn't it? Midpoint theorem, we have done it earlier, which means you can say EF is equal to FC because F is the midpoint of EC. Done. This was basically midpoint theorem sum, okay? Part 2. AG is to GD is 2 is to 1. Pretty easy. Look at triangle ADF. Triangle ADF. GE is parallel to DF, isn't it? GE is parallel to DF. So by basic proportionality theorem, I can say AG by GD is equal to AE by EF. Now look carefully. EF can I write half of EC because EF and FC are same. Now E is a midpoint, so AE and EC are equal, so this will be AE by 2, isn't it? So instead of EC, I written AE, so it becomes 2 by 1, so that's 2 is to 1. Done. Pretty simple. Okay. Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at 20 part A. They're given in this figure AB, EF and CD are parallel to each other. AB is 15 centimeter, EG is 5 centimeter, GC is 10 centimeter, DC is 18 centimeter. They have asked us to calculate EF and then AC. Pretty easy. Just look over here. These two triangles. I'm talking about triangle EGF and CGD. Just look at these two triangles. This angle and this angle are equal. Angle EGF is equal to CGD, vertically opposite angle. And this angle and this angle are equal, alternate angle, because these two are parallel lines. Angle GEF is equal to angle GCD, that's alternate angle. So if these two triangles are similar, so they are similar. First of all, triangle EGF is similar to triangle E corresponds to C, G corresponds to G, and F corresponds to D. So they are similar. Now if they are similar, we can write that EG by GC is equal to GF by GD is equal to EF by CD, isn't it? Take the first and the last one. EG is 5, GC is 10, EF we don't know, and CD is 80. So this is, just solve it. EF is 9 centimeter. Done. The first part, pretty easy. Just prove that these two triangles are similar and use the property of similar triangles. Now find AC. Now look at triangle ABC, and triangle EFC. First of all, this angle and this angle will be equal. Angle CAB is equal to CEF, corresponding angle, isn't it? These two are parallel. See, if these two are parallel, then this angle and this angle are equal, corresponding. Similarly, I can say, this angle and this angle are equal, corresponding. Angle CBA is equal to angle CFE, that's corresponding angle. Or you can say that angle C is common in both. By that also you can say, which implies triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFC. Now if they are similar, the sides are proportional, corresponding sides, so AB by EF is equal to BC by FC is equal to AC by EC, isn't it? Now look, AB is given to us, that's 15, EF we don't know, then AC we don't know, first and the last one. EC is 15, you can see, isn't it? And EF, we got EF as 9 now, just put it, 15 by 9 equals to AC by 15. So AC will be what? 225 by 9. So 9 2s are 18. Okay, 5. So AC is 25 centimeter. Done. Pretty easy. Now let us look at the next sum. Now look at 21. A 15-meter high tower casts a shadow of 24-meter long at a certain time, and at the same time a telephone post casts a shadow 16-meter long. Find the height of the telephone post. Very easy. So from the first information, a 15-meter high tower casts a shadow of 24 meter. Okay, suppose this is A, B, C. At the same time, there's a telephone pole which casts a shadow 16 meter. Okay, PQR. Find the height of the telephone pole, which means PQ. Now look, since the shadow was cast at the same time, simply means that this angle and this angle has to be same. Suppose you're over here and you're seeing this point. So this is a line of sight. So the line of sight, the angle which the line of sight makes with the horizontal axis is same if the time is same. Which means if this is theta, this is theta. So these two triangles are similar. Look, angle C equals to angle R and angle B equals to angle Q, because both are vertical on the ground. Which means if these two triangles are similar, we can say that AB, look, by PQ is equal to BC by RQ is equal to AC by PR. Just use this two. AB is 15, PQ we don't know, BC is 24 and RQ is 16. So 8 2 times, 8 3 times, 5 times, so PQ 5 2s are 10 meter. Done. So the height of the telephone pole is 10 meter. Now look at the last sum. 22. A street light bulb is fixed on a pole 6 meter above the level ground. 6 meter above the level ground. If the woman of height 1.5 meter casts a shadow of 3 meter, find, so there's a woman, suppose, okay, standing 3 meter, and she casts a shadow, the height of the woman was 1.5 meter. That was what I was thinking. How can the woman be 3 meter, and the shadow is 3 meter. Find how far she is away from the base of the pole, which means this distance. So of course, rectilinear propagation of light travels in straight line, isn't it? There was this bulb. So if you look at A, B, C, D, E, look at triangle A, B, C and triangle A, D, E. Angle A is common and angle B is equals to angle D, which means they are similar. If they are similar, triangle A, B, C is similar to triangle A, D, E, angle property. Then we can say that AB by AD is equal to BC by DE, BC by DE is equal to AC by A, AC by A. Now we need the first two. Just simplify that. AB is 3, so 3 by AD. AD is 3 plus X, if you look carefully. BC is 1.5, isn't it? DE is 6, that's 4 times 3 4 is 12, so 3 plus X equals to 12, which means X equals to 9 meter, which means the lady is standing at the distance of 9 meter from the street light bulb. Is it clear? So keep it till here in this video. This was the last sum, I think. In the next video, we'll look at some other chapter. Till then, take care.